How to win every match in Brawl Stars. So today we are going to learn that. So without further ado, let's get started. So before you guys come at me, I'm just going to tell you ahead. If you want to win every match, you can do that by camping. I know many of you guys will not like this answer, but if you want to win every match and not lose any of them, then you can do camping, and even if you get like second rank, third rank, you will still win the game and not lose your trophies. So if you want to push trophies, you can just do that. So I will show you by doing that in solo showdown here, so that you can win every match in Brawl Stars. Even though I'm not a very pro player, but I will show you how you can do that. Just stay away from the poison clouds and don't go in the center of the map. As you can see, these poison clouds are coming near us, so we will have to run. Once they start like deteriorating our health, we have to move from here and go to the next bush. And ultimately, if someone finds you, so even though it might appear that we are losing, we will not lose because we are in the 4th rank, so we won't also lose the trophies. In fact, we have gained like 6 trophies. So if you want to win every match, you can do this method, which is called camping. As you can see, I have also got a star drop here, which is super rare, epic, and also epic. Okay, but you stay hidden in the bushes. If you want to push trophies, you can do it that way. So that's how you can do it. That's it for today, guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.